In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a bass line using an arpeggiator in the Triton LE sequencer. The first thing we're going to do is click on the sequence button to go into sequence mode. And then we're going to turn on the ARP on-off button, which is on the top left-hand panel of the Triton LE. When it's on, it's lit. So next let's go to the track select section where it says T1. And right now the A00 big sweep stab is selected, and this has good characteristics for a bass line. It's very punchy and quick sounding, and it's a little bit distorted. We can preview this. Next let's go to the menu. Click on the menu button, and then we're going to go over to the ARP section and press F8 to open. And in the arpeggiator section, there's a couple things you can do. You can assign an arpeggiator to play on certain tracks, and also you can select which pattern this arpeggio is going to be played. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to assign arpeggiator A to play for track 1. So press the increment button there, and you can see now it's A. And then we're going to choose which pattern is played by arpeggio A. So press the F3 key to go to the ARP A tab. Next we're going to choose the pattern that's going to be played. There's many default patterns here. I'm going to choose U23, which is a nice dance sounding riff. And then let's scroll down over to the key sync checkbox, and I want to make sure and check that. And that's going to allow my key press whenever I do my recording to easily sync to the BPM. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to press the record write button, and then I'm going to press the stop start button in the sequencer control section on the top right hand panel of the Triton. As soon as the countdown ends after 2 measures, I'm going to press the key and record a couple measures of the bass riff. And now just press stop, and we can exit out of the ARP menu and take us back to the play record menu. And I wanted to take us here so we can see the location of the song as it plays. Press the start button, and we're going to preview what we just recorded. Now at this point you would edit the selection in track edit, or copy and paste this in the other locations in the song, but I'm going to show you how to do that in later videos.